Today, we will introduce how does our lamination machine synchronous system work in detail. The system is mainly composed of two parts: paper synchronization and embossing pattern synchronization. In the paper synchronization, we adopt top and bottom, both two cameras configuration. When place the bottom paper, the bottom cameras activate, capture the specific marker coordinates, and remember it. Then, when place the top paper, the top cameras capture the top paper specific mark. According to the bottom paper coordinate information, paper laying device is precisely adjusted to ensure the marks of two sides are aligned. In this way, the top paper can be accurately positioned. The first step for synchronization is finished. As for how to ensure that the press plate embossing pattern and decorative paper synchronization, the working principle is to ensure that the mark on paper corresponds to the mark on the press plate. In order to achieve this goal, we will first record the location information of the marks on the press plate and configure 3 high-precision cameras above each board to ensure that the mark information can be fully and accurately captured. The board feeding device moves and calibrates according to the position marked on the press plate. After matched, the plate is sent to the press for pressing. Then, it's ready to be packaged and sold.